What's up, queens and kings? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgetz, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, debt payoff, while currently on a low income and a single mom of 3. So if that sounds like something that will interest you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button below and also the bell notification. Come on and join the Shmoney team, because we over here getting our shmoney together, baby. What's up, queens and kings? As you can tell from the title of the video, we will be doing a budget with me. Okay, let's budget with me, baby. We are doing June 1st, a budget. And let me tell you guys, I already recorded this video. I noticed a huge mistake in my budgeting. Some like really big miscalculations, and I thought I was tripping, so I had to go back and re-record that portion of the video. Well, my computer started running out of storage, and so I just ended up wiping out everything. So we're coming back, June 1st budget. Let's get it. Let's get paycheck number 1 right here, but I mean number 2, but we about to just put a number 1 right there. You hear the phone going off, trying to send distractions already our way, but we're not even worrying about it. June 1st, the income, and then the amount is $841. Bring it on down, baby. $841. Okay, so what bills are we looking at this month? So we are going to pay Canva Pro. Let me get my calculator. Right there. Right there, right there. So we're going to do Canva Pro. Canva Pro is due 6/1. The budgeted amount is $13. We can actually put the actual paid because it is a debit, and it always debits $12.99, $13 out of my account. The date paid will be 6/1 because it comes out the same day. So we're starting with $841. Subtract 13 from that. That leaves us with $828. Okay. So then we're going to pay Capital One Auto. That's due on 6/5. That's always $146 and some change. We rounded up to $147. So minus $147 equals $681. So minus $147. It's due on the 5th, and that is leaving our balance at $681. Next, we're going to pay WSSC. My water is due quarterly, and what I do is I take the budgeted amount for those 3 months and I break it down into 3 payments. So I end up paying $66 every month, so that it is either paid or caught up by the time that it's actually due for the next quarter. And that has been working for me. So we put $66. We're going to pay $66. I paused for a second because sometimes they charge me a fee to pay it. So this is due on 6/8, and if we minus 66, that will leave us with $615. Okay, but even if it is give or take $1 or $2, that's the good thing about having a buffer, whereas though that money can still come out and all your bills will still be covered and there won't be no issues. So we also are going to pay for Apple storage, which is an automatic debit. It's only $1. It's also due on the 8th. It's $1. It's always $1 minus $1. This is due on the 8th. So that brings us from $615 to $614. Minus 1 equals $614. Then we're going to pay BGE, which is my gas and electric bill, 6, and that's due on the 19th. That's due on the 19th. The budgeted amount is $155. The actual paid is going to be $89. My bill has already generated, So it's going to be minus $89. This is due on the 19th. Minus $89 leaves us with $525. The last bill that we're going to pay out of this check is Xfinity Mobile, which is our phone bills for me and my children, due on 6/26. Yes, some bills I just go ahead and pay in advance because I already know that they're going to have to be paid. The bill is $140. And then we're going to minus $140 from what was left. And that's going to leave us with $385. And I even see where I made a mistake before. I think I was rushing when I did this the first time. So it's a lot better this time. Let's just add up the budgeted and the actual. So let's start with the budgeted. 13 plus 66. Oh, wait a minute. 13 plus 147 plus 66 plus 1 plus 155 plus 140. That's 522. But the actual is 13 plus 147 plus 66 plus 1 plus 89 plus 140. That's 456. 456 plus 380. 456 plus 385 equals 841. So yeah, so far our math is looking right. So next we are going to go to our cash envelopes and also our sinking funds, any savings or any debt. So let's start with the cash envelopes, which I've already pre-wrote everything out because I told you I re-recorded this. I recorded this already, but we're not gonna go there. So the categories are me and kids, and I'm going to be making some new envelopes very soon, so I may go back to separating our envelopes. I don't know yet. I'll figure that out very soon. So we got car and gas, we have household, we have business, we have miscellaneous, fast food. We don't even have an envelope for fast food. I realized that today. I think I got rid of it because I never put anything in it. And then when I decided I wanted to put $25 in there, I didn't have a envelope to put it in. So I'm definitely gonna have to make one. Even though I'm not planning on eating fast food, but there is some remaining, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm just going to put my zeros because I did a cash stuffing actually earlier today where I added some money, but I don't want to worry about that right now because then I would have to go get my wallet and everything. So we are adding 20 for me and kids. So let's go back to, we were left with 385. Minus 20 equals 365. Then we are for and then for car and gas, instead of doing 50 like we used to, because my daughter is now catching the bus to and from school, we're going to do $25. So minus 25 is 340. We're going to test this out and see how it works. Household, we're going to do $10. Business, we're going to do 15, leaving us with 315. Then we're going to do 5 for miscellaneous, minus 5 leaves us with 310. And then we're going to do nothing for fast food, so that's still 310. And for medical, we're going to do 20. So minus 20. That's going to be $2.90. And then for hair and beauty, we're going to do $10. Minus 10, that's going to be $2.80. And then for blessings, we're going to do $5 minus 5 equals $2.75. Bring the $2.75 down. If we add up all of these numbers in this row, they should come out to be 110 plus 25 plus 10. Okay, so I don't know where my camera decided that it just wanted to cut off on me. And I decided that I was going to start a car insurance fund because I have my down payment for my car insurance coming up. I did not have to pay my car insurance this month, so I made sure to be mindful of saving the money that I'm going to need for my down payment, which is at the end of next month, July 26th, I believe. So, okay. So, first, we are going to do the car insurance down payment. So I'm going to put $50 in the envelope. So minus 50 from the $275 is going to leave us with $225, and I'm going to put that to go with the amount next month to equal up to what I may need for my down payment. And I may have more than I need, or I really don't know at this point. So for kids, we're going to do minus $7. That's going to leave us with $218. And then for emergency fund, we're going to put $16. So minus 16. And that's going to leave us with $202. And then for Christmas, we're going to add $25. We're going to start back adding to Christmas. Christmas has been neglected. So that's minus 25, which is going to leave us with $177. And then for car, we're going to add $10 to the car fund. So minus 10, that's going to leave us with $167. We are also going to add to the credit card envelope, where we're going to add $5. That's going to leave us with $162. And then we're also adding to the business is that the business? Oh, business expenses, or is that business E fund? I think it's the business E fund. And we're going to add $5. So minus 5. That's going to leave us with $157. And then we're going to put $40 in a buffer. So that's a buffer. So we're going to put 40 minus 40 for the buffer, which is going to leave us with $117. And then the savings account envelope, my savings account envelope, we're going to add $20. So minus 20, that's going to leave us at $97. And then miscellaneous is going to get $27. Minus 27, that's going to leave us with $70. And then tickets and fees is going to get its $16. So minus 16 will leave us with $54. And then I'm going to put in my envelope for Queen, is it $2? Minus 2 equals 52. And then family fun. We are going to add $30. And then we're going to put a $22 payment towards the credit card. So minus 22 leaves us with a zero-based budget. I hope this video helped you guys. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, leave me a purple heart emoji. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And cash stuffing is coming very, very soon, right after this video goes up.